Hello, chosen ones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get clay in Witchspire. If you're looking to gather clay in Witchspire, the location you'll want to head to is right around the area shown here on the map. I'm currently positioned near the end of a small stream, close to the southern edge of the map, which makes this one of the easiest places to farm clay consistently. Once you leave the map view and look at the area directly, simply follow the stream as it winds through the terrain. Along both sides of the water, you'll find shiny resource nodes scattered around the banks. These are the clay deposits you're looking for. Each glowing piece you collect rewards you with 10 pieces of clay, so gathering a decent amount doesn't take too long if you sweep through the entire stream. And that's everything you need to know about how to get clay in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.